Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use GrammarlyGo. So open grammarly.com on any web browser and in section learn more, once you scroll down, so here is the footer section and here is the option generative AI. So click on it. Now here you can see the whole feature. Your context, your voice, your assistant. Go further with Grammarly now with the power of generative AI across all the space you write. It's the AI communication assistant that's up to speed on your context and preferred. So click on Get Grammarly. Now sign up with your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple ID. And once you successfully sign up, click on Apps and click on Grammarly for Windows. Click on Install. And once this downloading process complete, double click on this setup file. And once this downloading and installing process complete, on start and search here Grammarly. So open your Grammarly application and you can use this Grammarly AI every place where you want to use Grammarly. Like in Microsoft Word, type anything here. So in the bottom side you will see this Grammarly icon. Click on it. Now here guys, you can use 100 prompt for free. Generate ideas for a blog post. You can write a project, process a report, and there are some more options. So click on generate ideas for a blog. Now type your topic title and press enter. Now just click on insert. Can copy this content, select and Control C. Also, you can insert by clicking here. There are some more options you can apply here, like this. You can apply these old settings like make it friendly and insert. Here you can change and modify some settings as your need and requirement. You can use the voice. So this is the way guys you can Grammarly AI. Thanks for watching.